Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing and doing a quick tutorial of the H2O Plus Beauty Aqua Defense Refining Matcha Detox Mask. This is one of my current favorites, and it is a peel-off mask. Now, it smells amazing, very earthy, but at the same time very clean, feels good, and I'm going to be using a flat brush and a smaller kind of stippling flat brush to target the inner center part of my face, but also reach those areas where I feel the larger brush won't work as well in that certain area. So around the mouth, around the nose, around the eyes, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about it. It is $38 for 2 fluid ounces, and it is a peel-off mask that removes impurities caused by environmental pollutants and leaves skin smoother and softer. It's clinically proven to minimize the appearance of pores and leave skin feeling detoxified, featuring matcha green tea, which is one of my favorites. Generally, of all time, anything matcha green tea I love with all my heart and soul. And it has rice bran extracts, which removes environmental toxins. So you apply a thin layer to your clean, dry face, avoiding the eye and lip area, and you let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes or until dry to touch. Gently peel off in a downward motion, starting from the outer edges, and rinse with warm water if needed. For best results, use 1 to 2 times a week. Now this is what it looks like after it has dried, and personally I believe if you are doing a peel off mask, don't try to make any facial expressions or it will indent into your skin. So I kind of just keep that resting bee face so all of my skin is smooth and soft. I start from the chin area and cheek area and peeling. I like to peel from the bottom up, and that is what I'm going to do. It does take some effort. You do have to use your nails a little bit, but I personally love to try to accomplish peeling off the whole mask in one whole kind of peel off instead of having little parts of mask just everywhere. And I know that's weird, but that's me, and I just like doing that. So this is how you accomplish peeling it off in one whole try. Anyways, so the matcha green tea extract helps prevent environmental pollutants from negatively affecting your skin. The rice bran extract contains vitamin E, minerals, and fatty acids to help soften and moisturize skin. And the marine exopolysaccharide helps minimize appearance of pores and leaves skin smoother and softer. So obviously when you peel, you have to take your time if you are trying to do what I am trying to do, and also kind of go in with the peeling off of the edges on the top as well. And yeah, so when I applied this mask, it feels comfortable on the skin. It doesn't irritate my skin at all, so I would suggest that if you do have sensitive skin, this would work for you. And also, it doesn't cling onto my hairs where it doesn't like rip out my hairs, even though it did make contact with some of my hairs on my hairline. And then when you take it off, your skin feels radiant, healthy, clean, and you can see a difference. And even your pores look smaller, and your skin looks smoother. So this is definitely a mask I would suggest. I am going to be using other H2O Plus beauty products like the Water Bright Illuminating Serum, which I use after I do my masks. And even when I just clean my face, I use this. It does help reduce dark spots and even skin tone, which I love because I feel I need that for my problem skin issues. But I am also going to use the Aqua Defense Protective Matcha Facial Cleanser, which is clinically proven to retain moisture and combats your dullness, which is one of my skin issues. But as you can see, this moisturizer is thick, but when melted into the skin, it actually disappears into a comfortable moisturizer that almost blurs your pores. So that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out if you have any of the same issues I have with my skin, the dullness, the dryness, the redness. Also, don't forget to check out my giveaway. I will link that down in the description box. If you want to enter, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time in my next video. Bye, guys.